Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new day trading idea. Today I'd like to talk about Bitcoin and two very strong supports that formed there. But before that, just a little recap of a trading idea that I sent you yesterday. That trading idea was concerning Swiss franc Japanese yen. You are looking at a 30-minute chart of the Swiss franc Japanese yen. And yesterday I was talking about the support based on those heavy volumes. Now, what happened was that there was a pullback to this support and there was significant macro news. There was the CPI on the US dollar, which currently is one of the strongest macro news on the US dollar. I would say that the inflation in the US is the enemy number one, so all eyes on the inflation, and the inflation data is right now very important. So this is what the inflation data resulted in, and this is even though Swiss franc Japanese yen is not directly linked to the US, but still it moved all the markets because this news is super significant right now. So this is the macro news reaction. The price shot past that level without any reaction whatsoever. But what you could have done was take a reversal trade. Now, this is a thing that I teach in my volume profile course, but there's also a video on my website where you can learn about trading the reversal trades. And what I say in this video is that when the macro news candle shoots past a strong level, like in this case, ideally you don't trade the level because you don't trade during significant macro news, right? So you let the price pass the level, but then you wait for a pullback like in here and then trade in the direction of that movement. So even though this was like a strong support, the price blew past it, then the support became a resistance, and from this place, from the same level, you enter a reversal trade. Let me now show you how you can find this on my website. So you go to trader-dale.com. This is how it looks like. It is a new design, and you go to videos in here, click it. Now the formatting is still a little bit clunky. I changed the look of the page yesterday, and we need to change it a little bit, but you scroll down a bit, go to page number 2, scroll down again, and here it is. Complete guide to reversal trades with volume profile. This is where you want to go. This is what you want to watch. All right, this is where I show you how to trade the reversal trades. So ideally, the best way to trade this was don't trade the support when there was this very significant macro news yesterday, the CPI news. Then, as the price hit the level, go short from there. This would be the reversal trade. All right. Now with FXCM data, the price actually didn't reach this level. Let me show you. But this could be different with your broker, right? Because in here, the price turned 0.4 pips before the level, or 0.3 pips before the level. With your broker, it could be different. You could actually have been filled in here. So it depends on the broker. But anyways, what I wanted to demonstrate here was how to trade those reversal trades. I really like those as they have pretty good success rate. So give it a try next time you see a situation where the reversal trade could be taken, and see for yourself. All right, so that's for the Swiss franc Japanese yen, and for the reversal trades. Let me now switch over to the Bitcoin chart and show you those two strong supports. So what you see before you now is Bitcoin chart, 30-minute time frame, and the two supports are marked in here. This is the first one. This is the second one. So both those supports are based on strong buying activity. This is a strong uptrend. Now, when there is an uptrend like this, what you want to do is look for significant volume clusters, like in here and like in here. Those volume clusters are telling us that strong buyers who are pushing the price upwards were adding to the long positions here, right? So with the first volume cluster, it was in this sideways price action, this is the place where the buyers were active and adding to the long positions. And with the lower one, it was in this rotation, right? So those are very important places for buyers. And this is reason why price should react there. So when there is a pullback to the first one, then buyers from here, which we see on the volume profile here, should start defending the longs, which they placed in this area, and they should start pushing the price upwards. And the same thing, when there's even bigger pullback to this level, then the same thing should happen in here, right? Buyers from here should become active, defend this place, this important zone, and push the price upwards. Those two zones are important because the buyers placed a lot of their longs there and they want to defend their longs. So that's why those zones are important for them, right? Now, let me zoom out a bit. What I like about the first support, this one, is that if you look in here, the price reacted to this general area in the past. This means that this area worked as a resistance in the past. Not exactly at the level, as you can see the price bounced a little bit earlier before the level, but I'm talking about general area. Then the price went past it, and that means that that strong resistance turned into a new support, right? This is a price action setup, and it confirms the volume profile setup we have in here. Now, what I like about the second support, about this one, is that if you look at this volume profile, this is weekly volume profile. It shows volume distribution throughout this whole week, and then point of control of this week, or actually maybe this is the weekly point of control now, but anyways, this is the second heaviest volume zone this week, and it marks our level. So if a day trading level is visible that nicely on a weekly volume profile, then it definitely adds strength to it. All right, so again, this is a nice confluence of this volume cluster formed within this uptrend and significant volumes throughout this whole week. Now, today's Wednesday, right? So we are in here. This is Tuesday, this is Monday, but there was still some rotation in here. And I could show you that if I move the flexible volume profile like this, then the heaviest volumes by far throughout this whole area, that's Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, is right here at our level. And that's what adds strength to the level, right? So it's not just about the heavy volumes in here. It's a combo, right? So that's about the two supports on Bitcoin. What we need to do now is just wait for a pullback. Ideal scenario would be a pullback to the first level, go long from there, then another pullback to the second level, go long from there. All right, this would be the ideal case. Now the first support is at 17,470. The second one is at 17,193. So that's about my take on Bitcoin. And if you guys are interested in learning more about trading with volume profile, and if you would like to trade alongside me every day, then I recommend visiting my website, which I already showed you. It is trader-dale.com. You click this green button which says Browse Courses, and it will take you to this page where you can check out my educational and indicator packs. If you are interested in learning how to trade with volume profile, then what I recommend is checking out the Elite Pack. This is a video which you can watch and it will show you everything that's included in the Elite Pack. And if you are interested in learning how to trade with order flow, then you want to check out this. Right here, if you want both, if you want volume profile and order flow courses and software, then you may want to consider getting the combo. Right, so that's about that. That's about today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area, and until then, happy trading.